So guys, just coming to Nasik. So Nasik people, be ready. So tomorrow morning we'll learn about Maggie trick first. Okay, so don't miss it. Take care, guys.
Until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero?
Deepak ji, how was your journey with Shanky? Thank you, Stan.
Indeed, it was quite learning, and I've learned quite a good amount of, gained quite a good amount of knowledge out of it. Okay, I'll implement that.
Okay, great, great. अच्छा भाई बताइए आपका जर्नी कैसा था शैंकी के साथ?
अच्छा था, सीखने को ज़्यादा मिला और अब ट्राई करेंगे लेवल बेस्ड को।
अच्छा, okay. Ajay, how was your journey with Shanky?
I had learned a lot from Shanky. Before Shanky, I was trading but not much confident. So when I started to follow Shanky, so my trading has improved and I am now a bit more confident compared to the previous sessions. And whatever the knowledge that is shared by Shanky through his channel, it is giving good help. So Shanky gives a better trading sessions.
Okay, super. Ankit, how was your journey with Shanky?
Well, this is my third seminar with Shanky sir. And, in the first seminar, I got to know that there are so many loopholes in the way I was trading earlier. And eventually, with one seminar, like in the coaching seminar, I learned a lot techniques, new techniques, and started implementing them. And after that, I had a very consistent profit. This time,
Shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be? To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need.
Start.
Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. a superhero.